Anatomage table is an interactive computerised teaching tool in where CT scans of human beings have been reconstructed so that the students can then look through them in a digital way. They're able to take slices through different planes, they're able to identify organs and relate them to their anatomical positions, and they're able to build up and take away layers as well. So it gives them a really good overview of human anatomy. The Anatomage table is a different way of learning anatomy in that it is a bit more interactive for the students. They get the opportunity to essentially perform electronic dissection, and if they do decide to look for an organ or a structure and they make a mistake, they can just start from the beginning and work through again. So it gives the students an opportunity to challenge their understanding, and if they don't quite get it right the first time, there's no problem.
The Anatomage table is really cool. It's great fun to put what we've been learning in the classroom into a more clinical context. With the electronics, you can sort of zoom and look around and feel that you're learning a lot more and putting what you've already studied in place within the human body.
If we go back to drawing on our borders of our femoral triangle, so we pop on our superior border. Excellent. So what's going to be our lateral border? Yep, that whole thing. So you're right, it's something to do with the muscle. So you can see a muscle that's standing up. Yeah, so draw all the way down. The Anatomage table is a really exciting and helpful way to supplement the teaching of the anatomy here at the University of Birmingham. So in addition to cadaver specimens as well as the models and demonstrator teaching, it's another tool in which we can have the students experiencing different forms of human anatomy.
Another advantage is the level of detail and clarity that's sort of built into the software. The ability to look through any section and sort of zoom in and out, getting deeper into the tissue, and you can sort of help place the different parts of your learning together as a whole body, and it really helps with the regional anatomy. And compared to looking at a textbook, which is a set of still images, you sort of work your way between them and fill in the gaps.
It's also a little bit more real to their clinical experience. It is very similar to how a CT scan would be presented in a hospital clinical setting. So it's starting to build those foundations of how students can recognise radiological images which are going to form the rest of their professional careers.